Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a game app that pays real money to play games worldwide. Yes, the app that I'm talking about is playtestcloud, and it's available on both Android and iPhone. All you'll have to do is simply download the app, or you can go on their website. Once you have downloaded it, or if you are on their website, you'll simply tap in the top right hand corner and become a tester, and once you have selected that, you'll be led to this page right here, and it's quite easy to sign up. As you can see here, you'll be led to sign up below. If you're eligible, they'll send you a qualification test, and once you have done the qualification test, you can start earning money. By the way, the qualification test is unpaid, as you can see right here. And don't worry, if you fail the qualification test, you'll be able to retake it. And after you're qualified, they'll invite you to play tests where you can earn money. All you'll have to do is enter your email address, full name, and which games you like to play at least weekly. So you'll be putting in your favorite games, so they will curtail games similar to the ones that you already play. And once you have done that, you'll go down to this section on which you'll be able to choose the type of devices that you normally use, and you'll enter your country, your gender, and also your date of birth. And after doing that, we can scroll down and we can read some commonly asked questions on playtests. For example, how much money will you be able to earn? And you can see right here, for a simple 15-minute playtest and survey, you'll normally get paid $9 USD, and you'll be able to earn this. You'll be able to collect this money via PayPal. So this is an easy way to earn PayPal money from anywhere in the world. So definitely give playtestcloud a try, as I've seen numerous persons that have tried this app or this website and are making money. It's quite easy. This is one of the best ways to earn legit money while playing games online. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. And why not, if you already play games on your mobile device, why not play it and start getting paid, right?